Hello and welcome back guys, you are watching Linux Kings. So today in this video we will learn how to put different types of security on a Cisco router. So first the question arises in our mind that why we need to put security on the router. So guys, this is very important because from the point of view of security, and suppose you have a router and you already configured it, but somehow some of your enemy or attacker came to your office and destroy your configuration of router. Then what you will do, it will create a problem for you, okay? Or the attacker can also steal your data and manipulate the data. So to avoid such things, we need to secure our data, and to save router's configuration we need to put security on router. So let's begin how to put security on router. So we will take the help of Cisco packet tracer here. So it's a student version, so I'll select a router that's name is 1841. okay, here it is my 1841 router, and this is a logical view of the Cisco packet tracer. Here as you can see, here are two view. That default view is logical and second is physical. Okay, you can also watch this in the physical view, okay, in this way. Okay, when you click on the office, here you can see the physical view of this router. So as you know, this is a physical device, we can't install it as a software. We need a cable through which we can connect our laptop or PC to this router and then can configure this router. So here I will do the same here. So I will select a laptop, now drop it here. Okay, now here you can see I have the laptop and I have router. Okay, I will drop it down. Okay, now if you will see in the logical view, it will look like this one. Okay, but when you will go to physical view, then you will see this view. Okay, now it's time to connect this. So directly I will take a cable from here. Okay, you have to just choose the cable, and here you can see the console. Choose this console option and type this RS232. okay, now here you can see the physical view, the cable is entered here, it is plugged in the router and here in the laptop. Now it's time to put the security on router. So how we will do, first of all we have to go to the laptop, and here you will see a desktop option, and on the desktop option there will be the terminal. Okay, so we have to press on terminal. Now click on OK, don't make any changes here. Now here you will see that we are on the default configuration of router. So here now we have come in the router. Okay, now what we have to do here, we can type we can put different types of security like before privilege mode or before user mode, and if someone is accessing telnet from router, then you can also stop him by putting the security on telnet. So there are many types of security, so let's learn how to do this security. Here simply we have to type enable password. Okay, and just after password you simply type your password. So here I will type the password CCNA. okay, now hit enter and come exit, and just type here right. Okay, so that it will save in your startup config. Okay, and now exit. Okay, now we have put the security after the user mode. Here you can see that it is asking for the password. As I have typed the password, now I can go further, okay, in the terminal mode as well. So now it's time to put another security. As here you can see, it's a weak type of security. If you will see, let me show you how it is. Okay, first we will exit from here, and now here if you will check show run, okay, then you will see that here it is showing the enable password and CCNA. So it is considered as a weak method for security. It can show in the running config if somebody have a little more information about the router, how to check its configuration, then they can steal your password. Okay, so to avoid this type of things, now we have to put a strong method for security. So what we will do to put a strong security on this, so for that just come to again config terminal. Okay, conf t. Now here what we have to do, here we type enable password. Now we will type here enable secret. Okay, and then we will type the password. So what password you want to type here? I will type here Linux Kings. Okay, now hit enter. Okay, just exit from here. Now here save this config and exit from this privilege mode. Okay, now we have exit from here and just enable and now give the password that we have given, Linux Kings. Enter. Okay, now we have come and let me show you how it is a strong method to protect your router. If you were to type so run here, then you will see, okay, in this method it is directly showing the password. Okay, here you can see, but enable secret mode, it is showing you the encrypted text. Okay, it means the stealers or attacker cannot steal your password, so it is very important to put a strong password. Now let's come on the next method to put the security on your router. So okay, now again we will go to the terminal. Okay, conf terminal. Now we are putting security on console port. Okay, if anybody is putting console, anybody is removing or adding other console to your router or want to steal your configuration, router's configuration, then how you will be protected? So for that, here we will type line con, or you can type here console. Okay, and here 0. Now enter, and here we will type the password. Okay, what password you want to set for this? So here I will put again Linux Kings. Okay, after that here you will type login. Okay, here you can type login or login local. If you will type login local, then you have to add user and password for that. Okay, if you will type login here, then anybody having password can login. Okay, now after entering, just come exit and save this config. Here we will type right. Okay, enter and just exit from here. And now you can see, before entering user exit mode, it is asking for the password. So before entering to user mode, you have to give the password. If you will not give the password, it will not started. So this is the best protection for your router. So now here we have to type Linux Kings. Okay, and enter. Now we have come to the user mode. So here we have to type enable, and it is again asking for the password. Now it has the double security for your router. Now no one can steal your data or no one can manipulate your configuration on your router. So in this way we have different types of security we can put on the router. Beside this, we have many securities. Like another method to secure our router is we can put the security on the telnet. Okay, so if somebody want to access our router from a remote location, then we can also stop that person from accessing our data. So in my previous video I have shown how to telnet on router, and in that video I also described how to put security on the telnet. You can watch by clicking on the I button. So guys, this was all about the router security. If you like my videos, please hit like option and share with your friends, and also comment if you have any doubt or if you have good suggestion for me. And if you are new on this channel, please subscribe Linux Kings. Thank you guys for watching.